Kevin Savage, and I'm going to be teaching you how to get ready to ride a dirt bike. First, you have to put on your gear. I put on my chest protector, and I put on my boots. Lastly, I need my helmet to protect my head. First, you need to get by your bike. Now, since the weather is being very cold, it won't start as easy. So, first, you need to make sure the bike is in neutral, which it is. Then, you need to pull out this Kickstarter and try and dig it down. And if it doesn't start, then you might want to come over here and lift up the choke. Then you need to lift up the choke like that. Then get it warmed up. That probably got warmed up, so then, after I did that, I have to put the choke back down. And once I start it, I have to hold in this clutch right here, and then I have to take my foot and hit this gear over here. This one right here, it'll put it into first. Then I have to give the bike some gas. Then I have to let out the choke slowly to make the bike move. Alright, here we go.